Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, honey, that was literally one of the best flights ever. We're in Hawaii. So guys, we made it to Hawaii. We'll tell you more about the flight and stuff and the whole screening process when we get to the hotel. But we are going to Aulani. It's our first time on the island. Are you excited? Yeah. It's our first time seeing Mickey in almost a year, honey. If he's even there. But it's gonna be fun, guys. So we just exited the screening thing, which we'll explain that later. But we're trying to.
You don't have to explain it. We walked in, they checked our codes, they asked for an ID. They're like, cool, have fun.
Yeah. Well, and the one cool thing too is with the screening, the health screening they do here is the health screening. If you're staying in Kolina, which is Aulani, the Marriott, and like I think it's like a Four Seasons. But if you're staying in Kolina, there's a special line for you, and you get access to the lounge, which is kind of cool. You excited? Yes. Now we're gonna find our vehicle to get over to, because we have a shuttle picking us up to take us over to Aulani, and I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, bye. You excited?
Yes.
I know I've asked you that a lot, but guys, we're still at the airport. It's so cool. We're like outside, but inside, but I don't know. Oh my God, honey, are you excited? Honey. Okay. Do we want to go out that way first and then go that way, or? Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my God. Okay, Aulani. Oh, they got Christmas decorations up.
Weird.
Are you here?
Oh.
Are you serious? Oh my God. Okay, first impression, honey.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, there's little fishies. Guys, we just got here. And holy moly. This is amazing. Oh man. You ready? Oh man.
Oh,
Well, that's okay. We got a balcony. There's Mickey. Yeah, we were joking when we got here, guys, that we hadn't seen anything like Disney officially, but found a Mickey. Okay, what's the view? Well, that's actually a pretty good view. We can kind of see the ocean. How do we open the door? Oh, it's on this side. Hi. It is hot out here. I'm actually okay with this. I like this view. That's a huge water park area. Holy cow. I'm good with this. No, we do. I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but right there is the ocean. They can probably see it on the video. I don't know why I'm pointing. Okay, room tour. Let's do this thing. You guys ready to see our room? Oh, this is a heavy door. Okay. We got 2 beds. We got a cutie pie. It's really hot out there, guys. What's in here? We got a mini fridge. Oh, we got a DVD player. Got all kinds of fun things. Let's go check out the bathroom. Wait, why do we have like 6 light switches?
You just turned off the one front.
Oh, whoops. Closet. Full-size mirror. And bathroom. Oh, this is, oh yes. Oh yes. You know how I've always told you I love rain showers?
Yeah.
And it has the hand one too. This is a giant tub too. And then, oh, that's just the toilet. Nothing fancy with that. But we booked a garden. I think it's a garden, right?
Yeah.
It's a garden view room. I like it. I'm assuming this door goes to like the connector on the other side. So, well, we're gonna get settled for a little bit, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, just so you know, these videos are probably gonna be all over the place with things, but we have a lot of fun things planned. Also, update, since we didn't really film it because we had professional videographers, but we're married. Wait. Oh, I forgot mine in LA area. We're married though, but show them the ring.
Ooh. Ah.
You're so cute. But yeah, we're officially married. This is not officially our honeymoon, but kind of sort of is, but kind of not. It's our honeymoon. It's kind of cool. But it's gonna be fun. But we're gonna go explore the hotel. Oh, another cool thing with the room that I didn't show you guys. They have a lot of outlets. There's like an outlet there. There's outlets over there. There's a lot of outlets. But yeah, you ready to go find food? Mm-hmm. We don't know what's open as far as food-wise goes, but we're gonna go exploring. But we'll see. We'll show you guys what we see. Do you have the room keys? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's little fishies there. You're so cute. Oh man. Okay. Let's keep wandering. Lauren, give me your best Stitch impression.
I cannot do a Stitch impression. That'll be all Matthew, and he's gonna do it right now.
No, I'm not.
Wow, you can't even tell the difference. You look just like him.
What are you? You're such a dork. Oh man. Okay, we gotta get a picture. Ready? Oh, we gotta get Stitch in the picture, you silly.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, there's food right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the Hilton over there. Oh man. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, you're smarter than me. I just went right into the sand and I probably should have rolled up my pant legs a little bit. Hold on. I love you.
I love you.
It's freaking beautiful. Whoa. Okay, honey.
Yeah,
first impression of Aulani.
Here. This is so much better than the pool.
Because it's the ocean. Oh man. Okay. Hey guys, we're still exploring the hotel, but this is a gorgeous resort. Let's go get food.
Okay.
Yeah? I'm starting to get hungry.
The snorkeling.
Okay, we gotta figure out where you go to go snorkeling in here. Oh man, we gotta go snorkeling in here. Okay guys, so we are at, I don't know the name of any of these places right now. By the way, forgive us for like constantly being lost. This is our first time to Aulani, but this is called the something Poolside. I know it's the Poolside
I'll
restaurant.
pull it up just a second.
Okay. By the way, if you guys haven't, when you guys come here, there's an app right there. There is the official Aulani app. It's pretty cool. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You guys are both growing.
Yeah.
I think this is off the hook.
Okay. We think it's off there. We could be wrong, but we'll show you the food. Right now we have water. Oh, hey, look. Hidden Mickey. Sort of.
No, technically I think 2 of them are supposed to be bigger than one.
Yeah. But that's the one thing
Right?
we've noticed so far.
Right?
Well, that's the one thing we've noticed so
Who
far.
knows even?
With,
Who knows? Like,
well, that's the one thing we've noticed so far. Is like it's a beautiful resort, but there's not a lot of like Disney influences, which is also not a bad thing. Like we actually enjoy that a lot, right? But we are going to get lunch, and we will see you guys in a little bit. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, Lauren. First drinks while we're at Aulani. What do we have?
Lava Flow, which is a pina colada with strawberry.
And I have a blue Hawaiian, which I don't know what's in it. I just know it's blue. You ready for this?
Oh, kid, bright blue.
Yeah, it is bright blue. Oh man. Okay, go ahead and try it.
Perfect. Knew it was gonna be.
Oh yeah. Do you want to try mine? I want to try yours.
Whoa.
It's strong. Forgot to give you that warning. It's strong.
Yeah, but that's delicious.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, you got the better of the two. But they're both good. These are both good. It's just I think the big difference is yours is blended, mine is not blended. But oh yeah. 10 out of 10. It's exciting. Okay, Lauren, our food is officially here. So what do we got?
Club. It has turkey, ham, and bacon.
French fries, and then I got a like meat lovers pizza. I think it's called like a pua pua that they call it, but yeah. No, you didn't even waste time. You're loving it. It's great, guys. Okay, what's your official review of the club
I'm
sandwich?
incredible. Oh.
Not taking credit goes for you, silly. I just had my first slice. It's pretty good pizza, guys. So food's really good. I mean, this is our first meal we've had here, so we'll give you a full review later. But
I mean,
you can't go wrong with Disney food.
first review now, like, it's a pizza and a sandwich.
Yeah,
Not really Hawaiian, but tastes good.
yeah. We will be having some traditional Hawaiian food on this trip, hopefully. But yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, welcome back to the vlog. Now, since the last time you saw us, what was the last thing we showed? We were walking around the hotel. We took a little breather. We went out and we went on the slide. That's why my hair's all wet. Lauren's hair's all wet. But, guys, it has been almost an entire freaking year since we've had... I know it doesn't look like much right now, but this is Dole Whip. We didn't take our camera down with us because we want to enjoy the slides, but honey, what do you think of the slides?
They were fun.
Yeah, so the slides, okay, so they have two slides. There's one that's the tube, what is the tube stone slide, where you're basically in like an inner tube, and you're going down. It's really fast. And then the other one was volcano or vertical something. I forgot, what was the other one name? Vertical, it had vertical in the name.
Volcano vertical?
Volcano vertical. I don't remember the other one, but the other one you just lay down and go. so fast. Then we went to the beach, and what do you think of the beach? Bro, it's like a little cove.
Yeah, it was so nice.
Guys, the water here is so warm. And like we just sat out there for a couple hours just relaxing.
And when it's time to find home, we know the way.
Floor. Going down.